Bulk sale. Bulk sale module caters sale of raw milk in tankers. Bulk sale process starts from gate entry of empty tanker. At the time empty tank gate entry customer is already tagged as we know for which customer the dispatch is to be booked. After gate entry of tanker, this tanker number or gate entry number is taken as reference in whole process of bulk sale. Once tanker is entered in premises, it is sent to weighbridge section. Here, tare weight of tanker is taken. In case weighbridge is giving digital output, then its data can be captured automatically in the system. There is option of manual entry of weighment also. After tare weighment, tanker is sent to loading section. In loading section, milk is loaded in the tanker from silo. Once milk is loaded in tanker, it is sent to QC section for testing of milk. All milk parameters are tested at QC level. Fat and SNF along with other parameters can be captured automatically in the system. User will have provision to enter data manually in case of any failure of connectivity with machine. Once QC is done, milk is ready for dispatch. Dispatch document is created by dispatch people. While creating dispatch of milk based on selected price chart, fat rate and SNF rate of milk is calculated. Dispatch is created with price chart of company. Sometimes invoice is created at the same time as dispatch. Financials are created automatically. Some customers give their own invoice after milk is received at their premises, based on fat and SNF tested at customer level. In this case, invoice is generated afterwards. There is provision of sale return also. In this process, whole tanker is returned back to the premises. Return can be created after dispatch or even after creating invoice. Financials are impacted automatically. Bulk trade option is also available in system. This gives option to sale to customer directly after buying from vendor. In this process, milk does not come under company premises but goes from vendor customer directly. Various reports are there in system which can tell details of bulk sale. In order to handle all, we have following masters, transactions and reports. By clicking on bulk sale module, you can see 3 links: setup, transaction and reports. Click here on setup to find masters. Here we will see few masters like bulk price chart master, hierarchy master, etc. Masters like customer master, location master, etc. are used in this module but created in different modules. This is one of the important masters used in this module. Master. Bulk sale price chart. This screen is used to create price chart which is used in bulk sale. Based on this price chart, milk price is calculated. Price chart is calculated location wise. Here, user will select location, enter fat weightage, SNF weightage, fat ratio, SNF ratio and standard rate. Fat weightage and SNF weightage is entered in such a way that its sum is always 100. It can't exceed, not less. Customer master is created in AR module. All details related to customers are entered there. Similarly, location master is also used but locations are entered in module. As we can see, there are various transactions used in bulk sale module. Flow is just opposite to bulk procurement. Transaction. Gate entry. This gate entry of empty tanker is first step of bulk sale. Here, user is already aware about the customer for which tanker is coming. User will just enter details of tanker and customer name. Once tanker is in through gate entry, it is sent to weighbridge for tare weighment. Gate entry number or tanker number captured at this screen is carried throughout the cycle of bulk sale. Weighment entry. Weighment entry screen is basically used to capture weight of tanker, empty or full. This screen is used to enter TER, gross weight of tanker. Here, user can select either tanker number or gate entry number. Tanker number. Rest all details are automatically filled. Initially, TER weight is entered, and after loading tanker, same tanker is brought again for gross weight. In case any company does not have weighbridge but load cell in silos, then this weighment process is skipped. Loading tanker. Once TER weight is taken, tanker is sent to loading section. Milk is loaded in tank from silo using this screen. Here, user will select just tanker number and select silo from where milk is transferred. In case company does not have weighbridge but has silos along with load cell, then at the time of loading, only net weight of milk is calculated. Here, initial reading and final reading of silo is captured, and their difference is the net weight of milk. Now, as a process, next comes QC check. QC check. After loading milk and before dispatch, it is tested by QC department. Here, again user will select tanker number and all details related to tanker number will get displayed in screen. User will enter fat, SNF, CLR and other parameters which are tested before sending out for bulk sale. Parameters of milk can be captured automatically also from machine in case of digital output. Dispatch. After the milk is tested, it is sent out for dispatch. All details like net weight, fat, SNF, etc. comes from previous document. User will select price chart so as to calculate document amount, that is, amount to be received from customer. Once dispatch is created, stock of milk gets reduced from the stock. After dispatch, document is created. After dispatch, document is created. User needs to create sale invoice for that customer. In some of the cases of milk bulk sale, milk is purchased from some vendor and directly sent to customer without gate entry process in organization. This is called trade bulk sale. For this process, we have separate screen where milk is directly bought and sold without doing actual stock in the premises. Bulk trade. In order to cater bulk trade process, user will use this screen. Here, user will select the customer, price chart and enter milk quantity along with fat and SNF. In this process, SRN is automatically created in the system. User just has to click SRN button and select the vendor from whom milk is to be purchased. Milk purchase and milk dispatch is done simultaneously from same screen. Once dispatch document is created, no need to create invoice for the customer. This will book financial document related to customer. Sale invoice. Sale invoices for customer is made through this screen. Here, there are both the options. User can create invoice for normal bulk sale as well as trade bulk sale. Here, user will select customer name. All pending dispatch of selected customer can be seen in dispatch number finder at header. Here, user can select single dispatch as well as multiple dispatch. All selected dispatch will be displayed in grid. For the customers who pay company according to them, that is, fat and SNF tested at their end, there is option to change quantity, fat percent and SNF percent and rate. This create financial document of customer. Print button will give printout of invoice which is sent to customer. We have option to create multiple invoices for various customers through same screen also. There is option of sale return also in case of any discrepancy. Customer can return the milk back to the company after dispatch and even after invoicing. Sale return. As you can see, there is option to create return after dispatch as well as invoice. User will select tanker number which needs to be returned. Whole quantity of milk can be returned. Credit is created for the customer whenever any return is created against sale invoice. This ends the process of bulk sale. Here are few reports of bulk sale. Here is the report related to bulk sale. Report. Bulk sale register. Select date range and click on Go button. Report will show total bulk sale done in terms of quantity, fat and SNF. Both details and summary options are available. This finishes bulk milk sale process. Now let's see another type of sale, that is fresh sale.